Are you being annoyed by the Windows Firewall API DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. To start the walkthrough for Windows Firewall API, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Windows Firewall API, a critical Windows system library providing the primary API for localized and remote management of the Windows Defender Firewall. It handles the creation of inbound and outbound rules and security profiles. Corruption in this file prevents the Windows Firewall service from starting, typically resulting in an error 08007006D9, and leaving the system vulnerable to network threats. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Because Windows Firewall API DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check, open command prompt with administrative rights, and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Windows Firewall API component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Windows Firewall API DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Windows Firewall API and system libraries. To support our technical team and receive updates on Windows Firewall API resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.